morning dear students, welcome to our class. Today we are going to study about nth term of an arithmetic progression. Before starting, we have to check what is arithmetic progression. So we already studied arithmetic progression, first term, common difference and all. Consider this as a arithmetic progression. What is the first term here? A1. The first one written, the first number, that is the first term. Yes, we know that A1 is your first term. A1 is first term. Okay. We studied this. A1 is first term. Then, how to find a common difference? Just subtract second term from the first term. Third term from the second term. Like that. Common difference denoting by which letter? D. Okay. D. So, how we will get D? Second term minus first term, A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2. Like that you will find, and if you are getting both same answer, you will have a common difference, and that difference, if both the difference are same, then your sequence is an AP. These are the things we studied in our last class. Okay. Today we are studying about the nth term of this AP. So you got this is A1 into A3 etc. is a AP, arithmetic progression. Then we are finding the nth term. Okay. So what will be the nth one? N means nth number. So we don't know what is the n. Here 1, A1, A2, A3 like that etc. And at the last we can write AN. Okay. This AN you can consider as the nth term. So we have one equation to find this nth term. Nth term equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This A represents the first term. N means how many numbers, how many terms. Okay, how many terms you need. Suppose you want to find a 20th term of this sequence or 10th term, 5th term like that, that will be the N. Then N minus 1 and D will be the common difference. So this is the equation to find A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the equation. So let's check what is A2 here. One by one we can clear it. Okay. What is A2? A1 is first term. What is A2? Do you remember that general form of an AP? General form, you already studied the general format. What was the general format? Yes, what was that? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Okay. This was our general form. Why we studied this general form? Here, A means the first term, A plus D means our second term, means A2. This was our A1, right? So what was A plus 2D? This was A3. And the next one is A4, like that. Okay. So, commonly we can say A1, A2, A3, A4, etc. But in general form, we can say it as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Okay. So, depend upon with our nth term, we can see each one. Okay, each terms, let's see. A1 equal to A. First one, A1 equal to A. In terms of nth term, based on this equation, we are finding each one. Okay. And what is A2? A2, we know the second term. Second term's general form is A plus D. Okay. A plus D. That is the general form. So let's check the same with respect to the this equation, nth term equation. Okay. How we will get A plus n minus 1 into D. What was that n minus 1? Here this is the n minus 1. N means 2. Second term we are doing. So 2 minus 1 multiply with the D. Like that you can write. Okay. This 2 minus 1. What is this 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is again 1. So no need to mention that you can directly write D. See, like that we are getting this A plus D general form. Clear? Let's check with the A3 now. Okay. A3. All of you listen carefully. Let's check with A3. Each term we are writing with respect to this nth term's equation. Okay. A3. What is the general form of A3? Here first term A1, second term A plus D, and the third term general form is A plus 2D. A plus 2D. So if you want to write the third term, you can write it as A3 or A plus 2D, or how we can write here. We can write with respect to this one. Likewise, you are getting this equation general form. A plus n minus 1. Here it is the third one. So 3 minus 1. If it is the second one, you write 2 minus 1 like that. So 3 minus 1 D. See, A plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2D. See how you got? This is how you got the general form. So based on the nth term's equation, A plus n minus 1 into D, we got this general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Clear? Let's try some problems here. In this question, we can see first term is 7, common difference is D equal to 3 and N equal to 8, and A means the nth term. Here you have to find the N equal to 8, so 8th term of the sequence. Your sequence is not given. Only the first term and common difference is given. Okay. So you have to find 8th term N equal to 8, because 8th term of the sequence you have to find. A means the general nth term. Okay. So we have the equation A plus n minus 1 into D. Based on that, let's see how we can solve this problem. Okay, A n you have to find it. A n and this n is 8, so you can directly write A 8. Okay. You can write it as A 8 because n is 8. We are finding 8th term. A 8, which is equal to, what is the equation? This is your equation. Write the equation directly. A plus n minus 1 into D. This A, instead of this A, you can also write A1. A and A1. Okay. A1, A. Both are same. Both means the first term only. So, and we can give it, we are going to give numbers here. Okay. What is A? 7. 7 plus n minus 1 into D. N is 8. So, you can write 8 minus 1 into D. What is D? 3. Your answer 3. Okay. So just find out what is the answer. 7 plus 8 minus 1 is again 7. 7, 3. Okay. So 7 plus 7 3s are 21. Yeah, correct. So what is the 8th term? A8. So you got A8 as, add both this, you will find the answer 28. So the A8 is 28. Clear? Okay, let's move with the next problem. Here A is not given. Your first term is not given. You are going to find the first term. But you have given D, common difference, D equal to minus 3, negative 3, and N equal to 18, and N equal to negative 5. This is all given. Okay, so first of all we are writing the nth term. Okay, what is the nth term? Nth term N equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your nth term. Okay, so now nth term is clear. Now we are going to write n. This n directly given. What was that? Negative. So you can write here negative 5. And what is the first term? First term not given. So we are writing A plus, what is n? N is 18. So you can directly write 18 minus 1 into, what is the D? Negative 3. Just apply the values. That's enough. So you are going to find what is the first term. Here it's not minus. Your D is negative 3. Okay. Write it clearly. Now we are finding A plus 18 minus 1 is 17. And this is in bracket. Okay, 17 here minus 3. So bracket means multiplication. So 17 multiply with the negative 3. That is what is happening here. Here you have negative 5. Clear? So what is 17 into 3? That you write. What is 17 into 3? Find out. Negative 51. Okay. So we are finding this A. Here positive and negative is there. So both switch to negative. So it is equal to A and positive negative switch to negative 51. A negative, A minus 51. So what is A? So now you got negative 5 equal to A minus 51. Okay, so what is A here? This negative 51 moving this side. So it will be plus 51. Okay, so we get negative 5 plus 51 equal to A. What we did is negative 51 moving LHS. Okay, so it will be plus 51. So now you got A. So what is this A? One is addition and one is subtraction symbol. So what is the answer you are getting? 51 minus 5. 51 minus 5. You will get the answer 46 equal to A. Okay. So now you got what is A? A equal to 46. So your first term was 46. Okay. Now whatever B you can do if common difference is not given, you can find out that. If n is not given, you can find that. Whatever. So just remember the equation nth term A plus n minus 1 into d. So what are the topics we studied today? First term common difference, nth term general form, and we discussed some examples also. So all of you try the example, and if you have any doubts in this session, ask in the comment box and wait for the new topic. Till then, bye.